That's why you have to look up.
I am in the London Bridge. There. I'm walking in the London Bridge there. Look, we are on the boat. Now I so regarde, essayez de t'imposer dans la foule. Namit din kita sa wakas. Yung mga tao na sa labas the inside na naka-entrance.
Why don't you take a video? Watch out. Move.
Ayan. Ayan, oh, ang anak ko, guide ko.
I'm gonna do a big one.
Close. Renovation. But this is the view here. The tour bus. And Jason is there. From here now. This is the view, but we are actually here at the Eiffel Tower. Jay, we are going to lunch around here. That's the Ayan, oh, during the night. Tapos pupunta tayo dito during the day. So, and ito na pala, manatawag Notre Dame. Grabe ang detail.